Keep pressing. The village needs the warmth. We'll be all right, darling.
Be safe, Dad.
Not enough. Soon.
Is it ready? Plenty for you.
Eat up, my brave little one. Thank you, Mother, Father. I love you.
Hold on, I've got this.
Hurry, grab the blankets. Mommy, it's cold.
Hello, we're here from Estate Works.
We've got some good news for you.
Thank you so much. We're here to help you get started.
Thank you, sir.
This is for you.
The roof needs replacing, and these beams are unstable.
The measurements confirm it's unsafe. What can be done?
We need to secure it before spring.
And here's where your new home will stand, overlooking the valley.
It's more than we dreamed.
I can park my truck here.
All right, watch the beams. Moving the pallet now. Let's mark this section. We're ready to start.
Be careful with those boards. Don't damage them. Just recycling them. Good, we can reuse these. The wall here. Keep going. Yes, boss. Hurry up with the truck. We need to clear this. Sort the wood carefully. Here is the entrance. This wall goes from here to there. Come back here, honey.
Yes, I understand. This will be perfect.
Keep measuring here.
Ready the formwork.
Looks almost done.
Look at it fill up.
Yes, it's perfect.
So fast.
We will have a home soon. It's very solid.
The membrane is secured, drainage in.
Good. Let's get the gravel and insulation.
Excavators ready to backfill.
Cool. Look at them move. The crane is here. Everything looks good.
Excellent.
Excellent progress. The membrane is going on well. Look, they're building our roof.
Oh, wow, look at the stone. It's coming together so fast. Mommy, it's beautiful.
The house looks beautiful. They are working very fast.
Yes, the doors fit perfectly.
Almost done. Thank you, workers.
Keep the conduit aligned here. Checking the voltages, looks good.
Yeah.
Passing the cables over. Breaker labels are applied, moving to testing. All right, next section. Looks solid, let's keep it moving. Vent stack installed here. Good, ready for test. Look at them go. So fast and efficient. Our new home is almost ready. Look at the difference.
It's so bright now.
Wow, good job. Keep them coming, we're almost done. Looking great. The sunlight really makes it pop. Okay, let's put that cabinet there. This goes here, check the leveling, countertop secure. Next, the faucet. Looks good, let's remove the covers. Beautiful, just like the plans. Perfect, amazing. It's beautiful.
The walls look fantastic. The edges are perfect. We're ready for the family.
Looks perfect.
Let's move to the windows. Done here. I like this one. Almost done here.
Temperature is rising. Everything looks good.
Thank you so much.
Look at it, it's beautiful. They did such a good job. It's perfect.
I can't believe it. It's perfect. Let's go in. Let's bring the sofa in here. We'll put the rug under the table. Picture goes here. Looking good.
I think the bookshelf looks perfect now. Yes, and the bed is beautifully made. It's ready.
Excellent. The smart panel is good. Yep. Sink looks great. Passing that. Door seal is perfect. Check.
Almost there, son. See the house?
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Wow. Are we here? Can I go out now?
Look, the big house.
Oh my God! Look at it! Woohoo! Welcome home. The house is yours.
Thank you so much!
Hooray!
Oh, honey, look at this.
It's everything we dreamed of.
Mummy, Daddy, this is my house now.
I never thought we'd have a home like this. It's everything we dreamed of. I love this truck.
Wow, this is truly amazing.
It's perfect, exactly what we dreamed of.
Look, Dad, I'm spinning.
It's perfect.
I know. I can't believe it.
Wow, look at the truck. I love this. He's so happy. So glad you like it.
For you, Mr. and Mrs. Chen. We hope you love it.
Oh, thank you.
Look, Mom, look at our old house.
You deserve it.
Try some more, dear. Look at him, he loves it.
This is delicious, Papa.
Thank you all so much. We are incredibly grateful for everything you've done.
It was our pleasure.
This is for you. Welcome, welcome to our home. Thank you, we're so happy for you.
Come and try the food, everyone. The walkway looks amazing.
Ah, that's fresh.
Papa, help me with the head.
Looks like they're having fun. More soup?
Look, a snowman. Over there.
That's wonderful. Keep stacking, son.
I love my new garden.
Watch this, Mama. Welcome, come right in. Thank you, it's good to see you.
Look at my truck, it's so big.
Wow, that's an amazing truck. Show me around.
And the elephant lived happily ever after.
That's so funny.
I'm glad you liked it, buddy.
Look, the birds are coming. Wow, so many. Daddy, look, birds.
You're doing a great job, buddy.
Look at that house, it's beautiful.
Welcome, welcome to our new home. It's beautiful, truly beautiful. Congratulations, Davanyam family.
Hold those smiles, perfect.
Thank you all so much. We are so grateful.
Let's get the official picture. Welcome home, son.
Look at him go.
Butterflies.
Do you remember how small it looked?
I can't believe we did it.
Look, the roof is different now.
The food is ready. Dad, the ball went over here.
Come on, get it.
We're coming, honey. Welcome home.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Wow, look at the mountains.
Look at you, son. This is our home.
It's beautiful, thank you.
We did it, together. Look what I made!
Oh, that's beautiful.
Watch me go fast.
Almost there.
Perfect.
Look at the old one. We did it.
We did. Together.
Look, it's getting brown.
Be careful with that.
It's almost ready.
Welcome home.
It's perfect.
We're so happy.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
And they all lived happily ever after. Good night, my loves.
Dad.
Hey, welcome home.
Hi, sweetie.
You multiply these two first.
Oh, I see now.
That's it, sweetheart.
I love this new home. Me too, the yard is perfect for this. Goal, did you see that? Yeah. Amazing kick, nice job.